Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to locate blocked accounts on Instagram using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So on the tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Instagram, and some accounts that we have blocked to completely remove them from our profile. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to Instagram.com. We can use the shortcut within our bookmarks. Let's click on this now, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, make sure that you are signed into the account. So let's now go to the left-hand side navigation menu, go to profile, and then go to edit profile, and now we should see a section within settings that says blocked, and there we have it. As you can see, we haven't really blocked any account yet, but if we were to block accounts, all those accounts would show up on screen within blocked accounts. You can block people anytime from their profiles, meaning that you will never see their profile, as we have blocked and removed them from our account. If you were never even following these accounts and these accounts could be recommended to you, you wish to remove them completely from your profile and make sure that you never see these accounts again, you can block these accounts and they will show up here. However, if you may have mistakenly blocked an account and you want to see that account, you would have to come into this section and unblock the account. Go back, sign into the account after you sign out, come back to the account, locate that account, and there we have it. The account will be visible. So let's now go back to profile. Let us now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.